Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do a 1-minute chignon. To start, I've left some hair out to frame the face. Gather the remaining hair at the back of the head and we're just going to secure it into a low ponytail. But on the last twist of the elastic band, don't pull the ponytail all the way through. Next, we're just going to tie a clear elastic band a few inches from the bottom of that ponytail, creating a little loop at the end. Now taking that ponytail, we're just going to cross it over to the opposite side of that little bump we created, and we're just going to roll that little looped end underneath so you can't see it and push it really tight up towards the head with your hand. And we're just going to secure that all the way down the right hand side with a few bobby pins. Now going over to the left hand side, again push the chignon towards the head and then just secure all the way down the left hand side with a few more bobby pins. Remember to catch a little bit of hair from the chignon and a little bit of hair from underneath to keep it nice and secure. Add a little bit of hairspray to control the flyaways, and I've added a sparkly comb. And it really is that quick and easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.